Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can learn about the songs that you listen to on Spotify. So for instance, you know the album here, the artist and the song title, but I want to know like who wrote it and all the other credits. So you can just right click on the song, select show credits, and it will show you. So it's performed by and written by the same person, and I don't know, maybe there is like maybe he produced it as well. But if you go to another one and showed credits, you'll see the producer as well. So it's written by Avril Lavigne, Rob, I don't want to butcher his name, written by Avril Lavigne and Butch Walker, and it's also produced by Butch Walker. I don't know a lot of producers or writers, so I'm so sorry. Let's see this one here. So it's performed by her and by her as well. This is her name, and this is produced by Nicki and Jake Bray. And that's how you can learn more info about the song that you're listening to. Maybe you're curious about who wrote that song. Did the artist really write that song herself or something like that? But I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. I think I already said that. But if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.